In the world of dating and relationships, there is a trait that holds immense power: the ability to be comfortable in uncomfortable situations. This quality automatically attracts women, making them see you as a confident, powerful, and sexually appealing man. However, it is a trait that many men struggle with. In this video, we will explore why women find this quality so attractive, how it positively affects them, and how you can develop this trait to enhance your interactions with women. In the theater of life, there are moments when we find ourselves under the spotlight of discomfort. It's as if the world around us suddenly tilts, and everyone becomes a bit jittery, unsure of what to do next. In such moments, one figure often stands out like a beacon of unwavering assurance amidst the sea of anxiety. A man radiating self-confidence, a man who knows how to stay calm under pressure. And it's not just his air of composure that makes him intriguing. It's the inexplicable magnetism that seems to draw women toward him. What is it about this unflinching resolve that entices the opposite sex, you may wonder? The answer lies deep within our evolutionary history, in the intricate dance of biology and psychology that shapes our desires. At the heart of this captivating trait is a fundamental human longing, the need to feel protected. Throughout the ages, this need has been etched into our DNA, creating instincts that guide our attraction and relationships. While modern society may have distanced us from the perils our ancestors faced, our primal instincts still echo within us. Men and women, despite the incredible strides we've made in equalizing roles and opportunities, continue to exhibit some inherent differences in our biology and psychology. It's these very distinctions that make women naturally gravitate towards men who exhibit unyielding composure. Our journey into the human psyche begins with biology. Men possess higher levels of testosterone, the hormone responsible for, among other things, bolstering confidence and courage. This biological distinction isn't about one gender being superior. It's about each of us having unique attributes that, when harmonized, create the rich tapestry of human relationships. Picture this: you're on a date with someone new, and the atmosphere becomes tense due to unexpected circumstances. Everyone at the table starts to fidget nervously, except for one man. He maintains his cool, his unwavering confidence shining through. What does this signal to the woman sitting across from him? It's a subtle yet potent message of protection. In our evolutionary past, when humans roamed the wilds, it was often the men who had to confront external threats and challenges head-on. This role bestowed upon them the duty of providing safety and security to their companions. Today, this primal need for protection remains deeply ingrained in the female psyche. In the context of modern relationships, this quality translates into being a reliable partner, someone who can weather life's storms without being overwhelmed. It's an allure that transcends mere physicality and delves into the realm of emotional intelligence. Imagine you're in a long-term relationship, and your partner encounters a professional setback that sends shockwaves through your lives. Amidst the chaos of emotions, there's that one constant: your partner, unwavering in his confidence, providing a pillar of strength to lean on. This steadiness is what women seek, not as a crutch, but as an essential element of partnership. It's not just about being stoic in challenging moments, it's about being emotionally available and supportive when needed. This delicate balance between composure and empathy is what distinguishes a man who exudes confidence from one who merely masks insecurity. In essence, the allure of unshakable confidence is a testament to the intricate interplay of biology, psychology, and our ever-evolving societal dynamics. It's a timeless quality that transcends trends and fads, and it's a trait that women, consciously or subconsciously, continue to desire in their partners. Consider the story of Kelvin, a guy who wasn't very tall or muscular by society's standards. Still, he had a unique talent for attracting beautiful women. What set Kelvin apart was his remarkable ability to stay relaxed in tricky situations. This quality made him incredibly appealing to women. The key takeaway here is that this attractive trait isn't about how you look, but rather about your mindset and how composed you can stay. Both Kelvin and I had to conquer our initial nervousness and self-doubt when talking to attractive women. Once we changed our way of thinking and became more self-assured, we noticed a big change in how easily we could attract women. Our newfound confidence, while not super strong at first, was enough to make women see us as strong, appealing, and trustworthy. This is because a lot of men feel uneasy around attractive women, which makes them nervous and unsure of themselves. When a woman first encounters a man, whether it's on a date or in any social setting, her perceptive faculties are finely tuned. She instinctively assesses his demeanor, closely observing the nuances that can reveal a great deal about his character. This initial encounter serves as a litmus test of sorts, allowing her to gauge how he handles himself, especially in challenging and potentially uncomfortable situations. It's in these moments that a woman can discern a man's level of comfort or lack thereof. If she detects signs of discomfort, nervousness, or a general lack of confidence, it can significantly diminish her instinctive belief in his ability to navigate life's other demanding scenarios. This initial assessment, though swift, holds remarkable weight in shaping her perception of the man before her. Conversely, when a man exudes an aura of calm and confidence, even in the face of discomfort or uncertainty, it has a magnetic effect on women. This unique quality captivates their attention and piques their interest. They begin to see him as someone they can trust and feel safe around, irrespective of his physical stature or any other superficial attributes. It's crucial to understand that this quality, being comfortable amidst discomfort, is not an inborn trait limited to a fortunate few. Instead, it's a skill that can be cultivated and nurtured over time. The process of developing this trait naturally involves embracing discomfort, staying composed in challenging moments, and showcasing other attractive qualities that collectively transform a man into the confident and powerful figure that women desire. Embracing discomfort is, in essence, a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It's about stepping out of one's comfort zone, confronting fears and uncertainties, and gradually expanding the boundaries of what one can handle. This journey is not about recklessness or seeking out discomfort for its own sake, but rather about confronting the inevitable challenges that life presents with poise and grace. Remaining composed in the face of adversity is a hallmark of a truly confident individual. It signifies an ability to think clearly, make rational decisions, and maintain emotional equilibrium even when the odds seem stacked against them. This level-headedness is tremendously appealing to women, as it conveys a sense of reliability and stability. The power of being comfortable in uncomfortable situations cannot be overstated. It forms the foundation of a man's appeal, making him not just physically attractive, but also emotionally and mentally captivating. It is a quality that can be cultivated, refined, and integrated into one's personality, leading to a transformation that draws women towards the confident, powerful, and alluring man they desire. So, embrace discomfort, stay composed, and embark on the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. A man who radiates comfort and confidence, making women feel safe and irresistibly drawn to your presence. The ability to be comfortable in uncomfortable situations holds immense power in the realm of dating and relationships. This trait automatically attracts women, making them see you as a confident, powerful, and sexually appealing man. By understanding why women find this quality so attractive and